Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to protect your document from making any changes or make it a password protected file. I have a sample Word document here. Go to File, click on Info, and then click on Protect Document. Here we have various options like we can make the document as read-only, make it a password protected, add digital signature, and mark the document as final. So let's go to the first option. If you want to make the document as read-only, select the first option. So now the document is in read-only mode. So save the document and close the file. So close the file and now let's reopen the file again. So when you reopen this document, it will ask if you want to open this document in read-only, yes or no. So let me click on yes and open it in read-only mode. So now we can't make any changes to this document as it is in read-only mode, as you can see here. So if you want to make any changes, so let me close the file and reopen the file, and this time click on no. So now the document is not open in read-only mode, and you can do any changes to this document now. So now go to File again, go to File, Info, and click on Product Document. So now let me remove the read-only property and let me make it a password protected. So click on that password protected and provide any password as you wish and re-enter the password and then click on OK. So now this document is password protected. Save the file and close the file. So now let me reopen this document again. So when I open this document again, it will ask for the password, what we had given there. So please provide the same password. If you provide any invalid password, it will not accept that password. It will say this password is incorrect, as you can see here. So let me close this and reopen the document. And this time I'll give the right password and the document opens fine. And now go to File, Info, Product Document. Now let's remove the password from this document. Okay, once again, click on this, remove the password and then click on OK. And this document is no longer password protected now. Now let's see the last option, mark as final. To make the document as mark as final, select this option. So once you mark this document as mark as final, no more changes is allowed to this document. And then click on OK and close the file. Now let me reopen this document. So when you reopen this document, it says this document is marked as final and no more changes is allowed. But if you want to make any more changes to this and some more changes to this document, there is a button here, edit anyway. You can click on that and you can do changes to this document. And now let's see how to protect your Excel and PowerPoint documents. The process remains the same, there is no much change. Let me open the Excel document. Here go to File and click on Info, and here we have option Protect Workbook. Click there, and here all the options are similar like we saw earlier. There's no much change and you can follow the same step to secure a document. So let me close the Excel book. Now let me open the PowerPoint, and here also steps remain the same, there's no much change. Go to File, click on Info, and then click on Protect Presentation. And here also we have same options and you can secure the document using these options. So hope you like this. Thank you.